wrote Nourish is to provide them with a resource that they could rely on. One of the wonderful resources also that you can share with health professionals to help alleviate some of these concerns is the 2016 Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics position statement on vegetarian diets. And in that statement, they very, very clearly say that plant predominant, which is, a vegetarian diets, or plant exclusive, which are vegan diets, that are well planned, are safe and adequate at every stage of the life cycle, during pregnancy, lactation, infancy, childhood, adolescence. For athletes, they, basically can be done to be suitable for everyone. And that resource, because it's coming from the largest professional dietetic association on the planet, is usually well received by health professionals, and so they usually appreciate seeing it and knowing that yes, it is an acceptable thing to do when it's done properly.